Hey guys, so today I'm showing you all this Foxy Eyeliner tutorial for semi-hooded eyes, and yeah, let's get right into it. These are my eyes and this is what we're going to work with today. I have semi-hooded eyes and this is a tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys. For this foxy eye look, I prefer using a pencil because it's much easier for beginners. So if you're a beginner and you're struggling with your liners, you could grab a pencil and it'll be way easier. First off, I prefer creating stroke lines than just drawing out a straight up line, because it's much easier to, imagine how you want your wing liner to go. I'm going to draw a line straight down towards my lash line, and I'll make sure that they are both connected and just trace out the lines. For pencils, you have to make sure that you trace and define it before it gets very dark. I'm making sure that the line that I'm drawing close to my lash line is very thin as possible and connecting that to the line. The tip for this tutorial is, if you have semi-hooded eyes, you don't want to raise your brows. Stare straight into your mirror. I'm not raising my brows or whatever. This is what is going to help you create the perfect snatch foxy eye look. So make sure you're staring right into your mirror. So I went back in at the tip of the line and I'm elongating it just to create a more foxy look and make sure that it is looking very snatched and straight. And then I am dragging that down, straight down towards my lash line. So I'm defining the line, making it look much bolder and making sure it is darker and tracing out any lines that I missed earlier on. So because I want this to look very snatched and foxy, I'm making sure that the tip of the line looks very straight and very tiny to create that foxy eye look, because we all know the foxy eye is very tiny and very snatched. So that is the look that I'm going for. And I'm just dragging down the line towards where my lashes start, and you can see my lashes go way down. So I'm dragging this and just filling in the areas. A close friend of mine here on YouTube, and we do chat on my Instagram once in a while, she will always tell me how she struggles with fox eye winged eyeliners, and I promised her that I was going to make a video for her, and this video is specially dedicated to you. So Christy, if you're watching right now, know that I love you and thank you for the support. It means the world to me that you love me and you support me, and know that I love you and I love you all for the support so far. I know that I'm not the biggest YouTuber yet, but we are on the verge on getting there, and I just want to thank you all for subscribing. Those that are new, thank you for joining me. You can join my family by subscribing to my channel, turning on the post notifications, and yeah, if you also want to reach out to me on my socials are linked in the description, so you can check that out, and I will surely and I will definitely reply you. So yeah, reach out to me. I love you all. So back to the tutorial. Now I'm just trying to make it look very straight. I don't want it to look bent. When I look straight into the mirror, it's not looking straight, it's looking somehow curved, and I don't want it to look curved. So I'm making sure that the line is as straight and as snatched as possible. Having semi-hooded eyes, we have to be extra careful when drawing our wing liner, cat liner, or even foxy liner. Any slight mistake, we could easily ruin the entire line, and you don't want that. You want it to look nice and straight. So like I said earlier on, you want to stare straight at your mirror. As you can see, I'm staring right into the mirror. If I raise my eyes or raise my brow up like that, it's not looking straight, yeah, but when I put it down, it looks straight. That is what you want. It doesn't have to be straight. That is not the aim. The aim is to make it look snatched when your eyes are relaxed, not when your eyes are raised. So make sure your eyes are relaxed. Don't raise your eyes, and yeah, you're good to go. So I'm making sure the tip is as straight as it can be and just filling out the lines, making sure everything is snatched and straight. So I'm filling in everything and making sure everything looks straight and bold, and you can see the tip is looking nice. When I raise my eyes up, you can see it's kind of curved, but not to worry. All you have to do is just fill in the areas and make everything look straight and snatched. If you do make a mistake, do not panic. You can go in with a concealer to clean up any areas that you make a mistake, but I do not like doing that because it looks messy and it doesn't look clean, so I prefer to make sure everything is perfect as I want it to be. And for my inner corners, I'm just going in and dragging it outwards and taking it back in and dragging it upwards towards my lash line. And this is how it looks on one eye. It looks very straight, very sharp, very snatched, very foxy. Yeah, and I'm gonna do on the second eye. I applied my mascara and I am obsessed. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I would love to see you guys in the next one. And bye!